Hey guys, James Nelson here from travelerinfohub.com, and today we're going to talk about, is there such thing as gynecomastia surgery insurance? Let's find out. So about half of men in the world will have bigger breasts than they would like at one point in their life. Due to men being more conscious about their self-image, there's been a trend in male breast reduction or gynecomastia surgery. A lot of men are willing to go under the needle as enlarged breast or gynecomastia can cause a bunch of issues such as depression, lowered confidence, a stale sex life, etc. Men of all ages are swallowing their pride to perform a surgery which can give them a whole new confidence. For some men, this is a potentially life-changing decision, especially those who have gotten teased in their teenage years. A lot of teens have a mild case of gynecomastia, which may or may not go away on its own. A lot of kids with gynecomastia don't pay too much mind or are too embarrassed to tell their parents about it. If you do develop gynecomastia, there's a high chance it can be reversed if you've had it for no longer than 2 years. If teenagers only knew that they could get it treated with medication, then they would never have to deal with it going into adulthood. Unfortunately, it's not the case for most. So there's a common belief that a lot of insurance companies won't cover gynecomastia surgery as it's considered cosmetic surgery. In actuality, insurance companies are more than willing to cover gynecomastia surgery if you're a teen or a young adult, but the chances are higher if you're younger. Your age is a big factor because to insurance companies, this means you are able to go on X amount of years without ever having the surgery done. So what if I'm not a teen or a young adult anymore? So the majority of insurance plans may not cover your surgery, but a lot of surgeons will offer financing plans. So you better make sure to ask. Since every insurance policy is different, make sure you do some research into what is and what isn't covered. For US insurance policies, look on the back of your insurance card. There should be a phone number you can call and get in touch with customer service. You might have to speak to an advisor or someone on the clinical staff. You and the clinic can also make a request as well. If your surgeon is in the network of your insurance, then there's a better chance it can get appealed. If not in the network, then the chances are pretty low. If you do get rejected, then some states allow you to get a hearing and it'll be decided whether your operation gets covered or not. Here are the costs included in gynecomastia surgery. The cost for anesthesia, cost for using the facility test, cost for medical garments, after surgery, cost for prescription drugs, and there's a fee for the surgeon as well. Most insurance companies won't cover gynecomastia surgery, but they will cover the reconstruction of breast if complications were to happen. Some final thoughts on gynecomastia surgery insurance. Unless you're a teen or young adult, definitely see what your policy does or doesn't cover and see if your surgeon offers financing. Financing is a really popular option these days. The next thing you can do is get a personal loan if you have good credit. Personally, and this is only my opinion, if my gynecomastia was mild, then I would try the best I can to reduce it naturally. Sure, you can't get rid of the actual breast tissue, but you can strategically disguise it with exercises, diet changes, and some natural testosterone therapy. Basically, you can DIY, do it yourself, your gynecomastia like I did. It took about 3 months for me to significantly reduce my gyno. I can now walk around with confidence without rolling my shoulders forward. I can also usually eat whatever I want after 3 months of a restricted diet. What I mean is, you just do this whole diet thing and exercise thing for a few months, and you'll have near permanent results. Unless your gynecomastia is severe, the surgeon will tell you to significantly lower your body fat before surgery can even be done. Why not try a proven method instead of whatever you think will work? And no, it won't be cardio and eating salads. Once again, this is just my opinion and what I've done. So if you want more info, check out any of my articles, especially my gentleman's guide on gynecomastia. I'm gonna leave a link below in the description. And also subscribe to my newsletter to get the latest content and some free help. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description too. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and bye bye.